Going to see law of chemical combination. Law of chemical combination. In this chemical combination, we are going to see law of conservation of mass. This is the topic. Law of conservation of mass. Okay. What is the law for this conservation of mass means? Any chemical reaction we are taking, any chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, two or more substances are react with each other. Two or more substance, any substance we are taking here, the two substances are reacting with each other and it will give some products. Okay, so what amount of mass here, the total mass of the substance here, what I said, any two substance is reacting with each other and it will give any products. Okay, here reactants, here products. Okay, here these two substance, the total mass, this substance have some weight and this substance have some weight. Okay, so the total weight of these two substance, these two reactants, the total mass after the reaction happening, so we got some product. No, the product total mass also equal, the product total mass also equal. Okay, equally happen. That is known as law of conservation of mass. What amount of substance here we are taking, that substance mass which is equal after the chemical reaction takes place. What are the product we got from this chemical reaction? The same amount of mass we got. So that is known as law of conservation of mass and it can be explained through experimentally. See this experiment. This is Landau's tube, H-shaped tube. Okay, in this tube we are taking two substances. I said two substances are reacting with each other, two reactant are reacting with each other. Here in this H-shaped tube I am taking sodium chloride solution and silver nitrate solution. Here I am taking two reactants. Okay, sodium chloride solution and silver nitrate solution. Then this H-shaped Landau's tube was closed by using cork. The mouth of this tube was closed by using cork. Okay, then I just invert this tube. The solutions are mixed together. When I shake this tube or I just inverted this H-shaped tube, the two solutions are mixed with each other. The two solution is mixed with each other. Then I got some products. Okay, so what amount of the reactant I am taking, the weight of the substance here I am taking, no, the weight of the reactants which is equal to the what product here I got. Here NaCl and silver nitrate is reacting with each other. Okay, NaCl plus AgNO3. Sodium chloride plus silver nitrate is reacting with each other. And this Cl and Ag will joining with each other and this Na and NO3 will joining with each other. Then we got AgCl plus NaNO3. Silver chloride precipitate I got. White color silver chloride precipitate and sodium nitrate solution I got. So what amount of the total mass of these substances is equal to these total mass of the products, and this law is known as conservation of mass. Okay, again I will explain. In the H-shaped tube, what are all the products I taken? Here sodium chloride solution I taken, NaCl. So I written here NaCl solution, and here AgNO3 silver nitrate solution I taken, and this one is here. Then the mouth of the H-shaped tube was closed by using cork. Then this tube was inverted. Then these two solutions are mixed with each other. Then silver chloride precipitate, white color precipitate I got. Then sodium nitrate solution was formed. So here what we have to prove experimentally, the total mass of these two. Total mass of these two substances is equal to the total mass of this product. So this law is known as law of conservation of mass. We can prove that through some problems, okay? So first problem, let me see. In an experiment, 5.0 gram of calcium carbonate on heating gave 2.8 gram of calcium CaO. Here CaCO3 on heating gave 2.8 gram of CaO and 2.2 gram of CO2. Show that these results are in accordance to the law of conservation of mass. Okay, here calcium oxide and carbon dioxide was formed when we are heating calcium carbonate. So here we have to prove the law of conservation of mass. Here we have to prove law of conservation of mass. So what is the reactant we taken here? CaCO3, calcium carbonate. So this mass, this substance mass is equal to these two products total mass. That one we have to prove. Okay, so what is the weight they given? Given for calcium carbonate 5.0 gram they given. So the weight of CaCO3 is 5.0 gram. Okay, so we have to prove CaO, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide, both the total mass of these both products is equal to the CaCO3. Okay, so what is the weight of CaO? What they given? 2.8 gram. So what is the weight of carbon dioxide they given? 2.2 gram. So just calculate these two. 5.0. Just add this to, we got 5.0. So what same value we got here? CaCO3 mass is equal to the CaO and CO2 total mass. Okay. So we proved through the problem. So second problem is, in an experiment 48 grams of magnesium combines with 32 grams of oxygen to form 80 grams of magnesium oxide. Show that this reaction illustrates the law of conservation of mass. Hint, 2 mg plus O2 which gives 2 mgO, atomic mass of mg which is equal to 24 and oxygen which is equal to 16. Here they already given the equation and the grams of the weight. Through this equation we have to calculate. Okay. This equation 2 mg plus O2 which gives 2 mgO. Okay. Now magnesium. Here how many moles of magnesium oxide is formed? 2 mole of magnesium oxide is formed. So we have to calculate 1 mole of magnesium oxide. First we have to calculate 1 mole of magnesium oxide. 1 mgO we find out means automatically we can add, then we convert into 2 mole. Okay, so first find out 1 mole. Okay, mgO. Now what is magnesium value? Here they given atomic mass of magnesium value they given 24 plus oxygen value what they given 16. So add this, we got 40. So the mgO value is 40 we got. Here how many moles they used? 2 mgO. So 2 mgO means this is for 1 mole. We have to calculate for 2 mole means just add that. So 80 we got. This is the product value we got 80. Okay. Now here calculate 2 mg. What is the value for mg? They given 24. So 24 into 2. 4 to the right, 2 to the 4. Plus oxygen value they given 16. Here 2. So into 2. 6 2 is 12 balance 1. 1 2 is 2. 3. So 48 plus 32. is 40. So the total value is 40. So here also, sorry, 80. Sorry, I'm so sorry, 80. 48 plus 32, 80. So here we got the total mass is 80. So this 80 is equal to this 80. So we proved this through the problem. Again I will repeat. We know the equation 2 mg plus O2 which gives 2 mgO. Okay. First we find out the mass of for this. Okay. 1 mgO we find out means automatically we can add another 1 mgO, then we got 2 mgO. So first find out 1 mgO value. 1 mgO value, how we can calculate? Mg, magnesium. What is the atomic mass they given for magnesium? 24. So 24 plus what is the value for oxygen? They given 16. 16 which is equal to, add these 24 and 16, we got what? 40. So for 1 mole, 1 mgO value is 40. So 2 mgO value is 80. So we got here 80 the value. Here calculate, here how we calculate? As usual, mg value. Before this 2 is present. So put 2 into magnesium value they given 24. So what we got? 48 plus here oxygen value 16, here 2 is present, so 2. Now multiply this, we got 32. Now add this 48 plus 32, we got 80. So this total mass is 80. So this, what are all the substance involved in the chemical reaction? After the chemical reaction, the product formed, that product mass is also equal to the substance. So this is the law of conservation of mass. Thank you guys.